Hi, hello friends. I am your Naresh. Today we are going to discuss about the HTML iframes. This is the most important topic in HTML because of by using it we can load the external content, means external URL content in our current web page. Sometimes if we want to load another URL content or another URL, for example YouTube video, if you want to load in your current page, that time you should use the iframe. So first of all, what is iframe? Iframe and a HTML iframe, it is used to display a web page within a web page. It means one web page that is displayed in another web page. That is the concept. Nested web page, like that means one page, you have created one page, in that web page you can load another web page. The HTML iframe tag specifies an inline iframe. An inline frame is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. Yeah, this is important point, friends. We can embed another document within the current HTML element. Syntax is iframe. Iframe have two attributes: src, title. src is most important attribute. This is used to we can read or we can read the content from external URL document. So title for the iframe, this is used which purpose you are using. So that is specify the description to the iframe tag. Tip: it is a good practice to always include a title attribute for iframe. Yes, friends, sometimes if you have multiple iframes in a single web page, so that time you are easy to find the which iframe for which purpose. That kind of information purpose you can use the title attribute. This is used by screen reader to read out what the content of the iframe is. Yeah, that is also important. What is the content have iframe? So easy to find based on the title attribute. Iframe set height and width. Use the height and width attribute to specify the size of the iframe. Yes, friends. Iframe have two attributes, important things: height and width also. The height and width are specified the pixel by default. Iframe, I given one example: iframe src demo iframe.html, height 200, width 300. Title iframe example, close the iframe. Here I given one example, right? Here one example. I think this is the most important topic, friends. Let's go to the my notepad and we can write something and execute in our browser. Here I define some doc type HTML. HTML is a root element of the document. Body is a child element of the HTML. Body have content. Whatever you are writing, that content render in a body, within the body. Here I written some heading HTML iframes and I written one paragraph. You can also use the CSS height and width properties to specify the size of the iframe. Here I written some example 1 iframe hello world.html and I written some inline styles. Inline styles means within the HTML element we are writing the style of based on the styles using the style attribute. That concept we can call the inline styles. If you open the one head tag here and something write the styles, that is the internal styles. When I introduce my CSS classes, then the time I will explain to you. Present we have HTML classes, that's why I explain the more focus on HTML elements. And one more title attribute is there. This is easy to find the iframe which purpose. Iframe example. For example, iframe example 1 I given here. And example 2, src I given some image URL and style height 300, width 500 pixel. Title I given iframe example 2. This, and I close the body and HTML. Let's go to execute this page in our browser. First of all, I open this is in my local folder, and we can observe. Yeah, here I create my web page. When I double click on it, it will be open in our browser. Yes friends, output is like this. HTML iframes, this is a heading, this is paragraph, and here example 1, here allow URL. This allow URL actually I didn't write in my code, right? Anywhere I am written allow URL? No. Allow URL I written in another web page. Yeah, this is my hello URL web page. Here I written the hello URL. This content I loaded in my page 1 here. So, and same similar kind example 2, iframe images class images.html and height 300, width 500. We are seeing our output. This is image. Actually I didn't write any image element here, but I load the image. It is from another resource location. I given is, yeah, this is my image. Here I written my image content. From here I define the image, some image path, but I accessed here my page 1, then it will be read and display here. So this is the concept of the iframe. So this is the most important topic in HTML. If you doubt what you write the HTML code, then debug it like this. Right click on web page, select the inspect option. After that it will be open source code. In that source code we can observe our source code means what we are write our HTML code. Here I define one heading and a paragraph. Example 1, iframe first one. This is hello world getting from here and image getting from here. So this is the concept of the iframe, friends. Guys, you are understood. I hope you are understood good on this iframe in HTML. Please practice on it. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe the channel, and please click on the bell icon for next new video notification you will get. Thank you.